Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to improve Snapchat camera quality on iPhone. So guys, if you want to improve Snapchat's camera quality on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end and I will give you some tips that will help you to improve Snapchat camera quality on your iPhone. So guys, first of all you have to simply make it sure that you are using the latest version of software on your device as well as the latest version of Snapchat on your device as well. So guys, for that, open settings on your device and then go to general, then software update, and update your software to the latest version if there is any update available for you like this. So guys, simply do this, and after this go back and open your app store and search for Snapchat and download the latest version of Snapchat app on your device as well. So guys, do this, and after this go to Snapchat, and from here you have to simply tap on this profile icon and then tap on settings, and now scroll it below and go to data saver, and from here you have to simply turn it off if it is on. So guys, simply turn it off, and after this go back, and now here I will suggest you to use the back camera of your iPhone in Snapchat instead of the front camera. So guys, if you're using a front camera for the snaps, you have to simply use the rear camera, and after this hopefully the result will be in good quality. And the next thing is that you have to avoid using excessive filters on Snapchat as well. So guys, these filters lower the quality of pictures on Snapchat also. So guys, avoid the excessive use of the filters on Snapchat, and after this hopefully the Snapchat camera quality on iPhone will be improved. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.